With the Google Assistant, you can use it to control everything for your climate control. Hey Google, turn on my heated seat.
All right, turning on the seat heater for the driver.
You can also use it to adjust your climate control. Hey Google, turn my temperature to 21.
Sure, changing the temperature for the driver to 21 degrees.
With the Google Assistant, you can also control your entertainment functionality. Hey Google, put on 104.9 FM.
Streaming frequency from the radio.
With the Google Assistant, you can also control your navigation. Hey Google, take me to Park Mazda.
Got it, Park Mazda.